Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings on your Samsung S23 Ultra and search for Secure Folder to begin setup. Tap Secure Folder to start the guided configuration and sign in with your Samsung account when prompted. Create a lock method such as PIN, pattern, or biometric to protect the folder and its contents from casual access. Secure Folder uses Samsung Knox to isolate apps and files from the main device for stronger separation and protection against common threats. Open Secure Folder and tap Add Apps to place copies of your apps inside the protected area. You can also open My Files within Secure Folder and move photos, documents, or videos into encrypted storage for better privacy. Adding apps to Secure Folder creates separate app instances that use independent accounts and data versus the main device apps. This lets you keep work and personal usage completely separate and helps reduce accidental data sharing. Tap the three-dot menu inside Secure Folder to access settings and customize appearance and lock preferences. Enable Lock Now or set Auto Lock to secure the folder automatically after a chosen timeout period. Use Hide Secure Folder to remove the icon from your home screen for stealth and require manual access through settings searches. Finally, back up your Secure Folder to Samsung Cloud so you can restore apps and data on a new device when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.